Today, I want to share with you what I would do differently if I was to start a new YouTube channel today. So, first of all, I will make sure that I have a plan, I have a strategy in place. Before I dive in, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela. I'm the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to bring you updates, YouTube growth tips, hacks, anything that can help you hasten your YouTube growth journey. And of course, and also your partner in motivating you to become the best version of yourself as a creator. So today I want to share with you what I would do differently if I was to start a new YouTube channel today. So first of all, I will have a strategy in place and I will do the necessary research to make sure that I understand what I am doing, because this is something I didn't do. I just hopped into the trend of, oh, everybody's creating a YouTube channel, let me go and create mine without having a specific plan. So I would make sure I have a plan. I would make sure I have a strategy in place. And also I will make sure that before I post my first video, I will make sure that I have created, like, videos that will last me for at least 3 months straight. Okay, let's say if I plan to be uploading videos every week, twice a week maybe, then I will make sure that I have the equivalent of videos that will last me for 3 months. The reason is because if I already have my videos ready that I will be publishing in the next 3 months, it will give me a sense of consistency right from the onset, okay? Which will in return help YouTube figure out who my audience are, or, boost my algorithm and every other thing else that has to do with growing fast on YouTube. So I will definitely have enough video recorded somewhere that I can just upload or schedule already ahead, so that I will not be stressed or overwhelmed in the first 2-3 months of starting YouTube. Because most creators make the mistake of just posting one video and then a whole month you don't hear from them, probably because now there's a content block. They don't know what next to create or the type of video to create next, especially if you are not yet clear on the type of niche you want to go into. It can be, challenging. So that's why before I would, upload my first video, I will make sure that I have enough video lining up for me to be posting in the next 3-4 months. Okay, so and then I will also make sure that I have a particular hour of the week or of the day that I post my videos. For example, if I'm posting every Monday at 8 p.m. and every Thursday at 8 p.m., I will stick to that schedule for that period of 3 months. Okay, and then I will educate myself about YouTube hashtags, high ranking hashtags. I will educate myself on creating SEO optimized titles and descriptions for your video. I will educate myself on these things and make sure that before I publish any video that I have put the proper settings on my video. Because let's be honest, when I started my YouTube journey, I had no idea that I had to, like, do some settings on my channel via my dashboard and choose the category of my channel and all that. I had no ideas. I was one of those people that would just take my smartphone and upload video, right? Thereby missing out on all the great features that is available on the YouTube Studio, like the options to add end screens and cards to your video, the options to choose the category of your video, the options to upload thumbnails and all that. So later on, when I found out what I was supposed to be doing, I went back to try and correct the previous videos that I uploaded. So that's certainly something that I would do differently. I would educate myself on SEO and hashtags and how to use it the right way. And then I will also go ahead and make sure that I don't upload any shorts, because shorts has its own audience. People that are mainly coming in through your shorts might not be interested in your long form content, especially if what you are posting on your shorts is different from your long form content. So it's going to be tricky to actually hasten up your growth. Your shorts might bring in subscribers, but those subscribers are not going to be active on your long form videos. And that is where you actually need your views and your watch hours if you want to get to monetization faster. So I would definitely not upload any shorts. If at all I would upload any shorts, what I would do is I would make short clips from my long form video, post it as shorts, so that that short will drive traffic to my long form video. So the content I will be uploading on my shorts, I will make sure that it's the same niche on the same topics on my long form video. So I have more chances that anyone that comes in through shorts, yeah, any subscribers I get through shorts are also likely going to watch my long form video because I also talk about the same topics there. So a very good way to run your channel is when you are posting different topics on your shorts and different topics on your long form video, because now you are building two different audience entirely, and this can make you to struggle if you really want to, get to that 1K of subscribers. Especially the watch hour is what is very, very challenging. And then another thing I would do on time is make sure that I am connecting with like-minded YouTubers that will also help me in my journey as a creator. Because the truth is, if you are going to do this YouTube thing alone, you can get discouraged very fast, especially in the beginning when you are dealing with low views and all that. But if you have like-minded who are pushing towards the same goal, you always have a way of encouraging, motivating, and inspiring each other. Okay, so another thing I will do, I will make sure that I am keeping myself updated about anything that has to do with YouTube, so that I don't miss out on any latest updates or any latest settings that can help me get those views and get more subscribers. Okay, because when I started my YouTube, I wasn't really paying attention because I had other things I was doing, so I wasn't really like focused and paying attention. I was just like, okay, let me just go and post, but I wasn't really there. So the thing is, if you want to grow faster on YouTube, you certainly have to take it like a job. You have to take it seriously. You have to pay attention to every little details. Yeah, so it's very important. So another thing I would do differently is definitely not engage on in sub for sub. I will confess, when I just started, when I was like under 100 subscribers, I was engaging in sub for sub, but I never knew that I was harming my channel by doing that. Because you will go and do this sub for sub, then the next morning you have like uh 10 subscribers has been minused from your subscribers. So it's really it gives you that yo-yo effect, and it's not really a good feeling. So I will certainly not engage in sub for sub. Rather, I will do something that I know if I do this, it's going to give me permanent subscribers, not the type of subscribers that will subscribe now, reflect for 2 hours, and then disappear forever. So I won't want to do that. Of course, a lot of YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, they engage in this act unknowingly. Yeah, because YouTube will certainly always remove inactive subscribers, especially subscribers that just go to your channel and subscribe without engaging on any content in your channel. So YouTube is only a matter of time they are going to remove such subscription from your channel. So that's why if you want people to subscribe to your channel, and you want to do that under people's comments, you have to apply wisdom and apply and use common sense. Yeah, do it codedly. Drop meaningful comments on people's comment section. And if anyone wants to go over to your channel and subscribe there, when you see their comment under your video, you can also go to their channel and watch one of their videos, comment, and then if you want to subscribe, you subscribe genuinely. Okay, but this sub for sub thing has a way of ruining your subscriber count and all that, so it's really not worth it long term. So basically, these are the things I would do differently. So if you enjoyed my video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you have anything that you feel this is what every content creator should do better, especially in the beginning of their journey, drop it in the comment section. Let's learn from each other, let's inspire each other, and let's support each other in this YouTube journey. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.